Need help? Better call Jackson, fighting back in your community and safeguarding your home. If you have an issue, better call Jackson.
I got a call from Robert Williams. He lives in Newark. He says he was shocked when he was told his auto insurance premium increased, not because of his driving record, but because his wife had recently passed away. Mr. Williams found himself a victim of the so-called widow's penalty.
I just can't believe, though, that they pick on the older people and do this.
This is what Robert Williams is talking about, a $102 increase to his auto insurance premiums, not because of his driving record, but because his wife of 51 years recently passed away. Williams is a victim of the so-called widow's penalty.
Why? They drive less. I mean, I've already noticed that I drive less.
Research from the Consumer Federation of America shows it's a common practice with most insurance companies. Auto insurers say married people deserve lower rates than others because they tend to drive more responsibly.
It doesn't add up. The fact is, the insurance companies slice and dice and price us in a lot of ways that have nothing to do with how safe we are when we're on the road, but more to do with how much product they can sell us.
Doug Heller is with the Consumer Federation of America. He says auto insurance is the one thing the government requires all of us to carry, but the rules are not equal.
We can't be just left as victims. I mean, it's terrible that somebody would be dealing with the loss of their spouse, and instead of getting flowers from their insurance companies, they get a rate hike. That doesn't make sense, and it should be prohibited.
Robert Williams says he may consider shopping around for a new provider, but Heller has this suggestion for older drivers.
They're still being charged as though they drive 15 miles to work every day, when in fact, they're just not driving quite as much, and they may be able to lower their rate simply by getting the company to change the number of miles they drive annually.
Several states are taking action on behalf of consumers. Maryland is the only state that prohibits this practice known as the widow penalty. If you have an issue in your community, you want us to check us out, give us a call toll-free, 1-855-44-JAXON, or go online to bettercalljackson.com.